I'm excited to announce 3 levels of membership that are now available on our YouTube channel: Value-Driven Fan, Value-Driven Supporter, and Value-Driven Collaborator. If you want your comments to stand out, the Value-Driven Fan is a great option. If you'd like access to our members-only analytics chat room and get a shout out on the channel, consider the Value-Driven Supporter option. Finally, if you'd like to meet with me every month for 1 hour, perhaps to check in and get feedback and recommendations on your analytics career, or to collaborate on an upcoming video for the channel, consider the Value-Driven Collaborator membership. Of course, we really hope we can partner on some big projects this year as well. That's a unique aspect of value-driven analytics compared to other analytics consulting firms. We seek to partner with your analytics and data science teams, whether it's through leading them through an analytics or soft skill training, helping with troubleshooting in one of our hourly analytics consultations, or leading them to the next level in analytics maturity through our analytics transformation service. We offer ad hoc predictive models, Power BI dashboards, analyses, and automation solutions that we would perform ourselves, but we especially prefer collaborating with your analyst in a way that's really sustainable for your firm. Our solutions are backed by 13 years of analytical rigor, and finally, this is going to be a breath of fresh air, they're affordable. If you've shopped around for data science consulting solutions in the past, you know how expensive these can be. But they don't have to be. Over the course of a dozen years, we've created numerous creative efficiency techniques that allow us to first, deliver your analytics product quicker, and second, as a result, deliver it at a lower price.